You take care
Hey,
of her.
Dolly Bear.
I'm gonna have to find her first.
What's he doing? Yeah, you see that birdie?
Yeah.
Say hi, Cashman.
Oh wait, no, come here. Come here. Don't forget your bells. Right.
Hi, baby. Yeah?
Okay, you guys remember, I want you to have fun
What are you
tonight.
thinking
I'll see you
about?
first thing in the morning, okay?
You wish you could talk to Mommy?
I promise. What? What? Go on.
Okay. Oh, don't forget your... Bye.
Hi, Dolly.
Alrighty, come on, let's get going.
Oh, look at those faces.
Hey.
Hi, Mommy. Say hi.
Girl. We found out today. That's fantastic. Congratulations. That's big. That's big news. Thanks.
Yeah.
I gotta go. Okay.
Oh, are you getting sleepy town?
Yeah, I will.
Oh, what was that? Say it again.
You okay?
Yeah, can we just get out of here, please?
Yeah. I just want to show you something first. Let's start. Should be on right now.
Hey, Dolly
I
Bear.
know you're upset, and I know you're scared, but there's still time here to correct this horrible mistake. And you gotta think about Emma and do what's best for her, okay? Just bring her home. Please.
Yeah? What you thinking about? You like that birdie?
As moms, we try to make sure our kids eat right. But it may
Such
not
a
be
precious
enough.
little
The fact
boy.
is, most Americans aren't getting key nutrients we need. But there's a delicious and easy way we can help.
All right, say bye-bye.
Every serving of low-fat
Say bye-bye.
protein, potassium, vitamin D, and more.